AkitaBox's work order management focuses on cooperation to remove the headache and uncertainty of paper-based work orders, guaranteeing your highest quality maintenance. At the building and organization level, the work summary section indicates the work your team has, the work they've done, and how much time it's taken. In the work orders and requests section, individuals get their very own to-do list while being able to keep track of other team members' progress as well. To guarantee the work is easily prioritized, we included all the necessary information and the ability to label the work as reactive or preventive. Diving into the work is as easy as clicking on the work order's name. A description of the work and the location it's associated with appears so you're prepared and avoid multiple trips back and forth. When the work is done and you're ready to record the action you took, you can easily log work for your records. This information you attach to the work order will appear organization-wide in real time. Calendar View allows users to view and manage upcoming work orders in a visual format to better plan ahead. Easily reschedule upcoming work by dragging and dropping, while utilizing filters to quickly find the work you are looking for. New work can appear at any moment when you're managing multiple assets across multiple buildings. To avoid unnecessary notes on scrap paper, extra phone calls, or emails, AkitaBox allows you and your team to create work orders instantly. In the top right corner of the navigation on desktop and tablets, or the yellow plus sign on your mobile phone, you can quickly add a new work order when the need arises. Just include the basics of the location, asset details, subject, dates, and estimated work hours before assigning the work to yourself or the appropriate team member. In a matter of seconds, your work is documented. Maintaining consistently high quality of work takes more than good usability in a software. AkitaBox's work orders were built to be seamlessly integrated into the dynamic ecosystem of your organization. Within AkitaBox, you can communicate directly with your team or the initial requester to ask questions and provide updates. With all work order communications stored in the software, you can improve collaboration and eliminate confusion from extra texts, phone calls, and emails. Aside from creating them on the fly or responding to others who have assigned them to you, work orders have an intimate relationship with service requests, recurring maintenance schedules for preventive maintenance, inspection rounds, and much more. Stay on top of the valuable work you complete every day and guarantee better maintenance for the future.